Here's how you can enable performance mode for games, and this is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro phone with Hyper OS 2. The first thing you need to do is make sure your side toolbox is enabled for games, and in order to do this, you'll want to go into the main settings of your Xiaomi phone. So go into the quick settings by pulling this down here once from the top right, and you'll see settings right here, and as you go into it, you're going to see a bunch of different options, but to find it the fast way, use the search settings here and type in the words side toolbox, and you'll see the suggestion here. So you're going to look for this right here, side toolbox. When you see it, tap on it one time and it's going to take you straight to where you need to be. And of course, you want to go ahead and enable it for the part that says in-game shortcuts. Okay, you can choose to turn it on for other features as well and other apps, but if you want it for games specifically here, you'll turn on the one that says in-game shortcuts. Now, once you've done that and you're all set and ready to go, you'll just go ahead and look for the game. And for this video, I'll just use this as a demonstration, the Hungry Shark Evolution game. I don't play it, but just to show you how this works. So once you have the game loaded and ready to play, you will want to go ahead and look at the top left section here. You'll notice this little notch right there, right here. I don't know if you can make it out. And just swipe towards the game itself, and you will see this here pop up like that. And once you see that, most likely it will be set to balance, which is the normal mode. And then once you want it to kind of increase, so you tap on performance. And this is going to be better for games that are playing online against competitive games. So that's going to help you out a bit faster. And keep in mind, having this on for a very long time will increase the battery usage as well as make your phone warm or hot faster. Okay, and you can always come back and change this at any given time, like and sub.